This video is all about Region 3 or Central Luzon. Central Luzon is a part of the Luzon Island Group. It is composed of 7 provinces, 14 cities, 116 municipalities, and 3,102 barangays. Central Luzon, officially designated as Region 3, is an administrative region in the Philippines occupying the central section of Luzon. It covers 7 provinces, namely Aurora, Bataan, Bulacan, Nueva Ecija, Pampanga, Tarlac, and Zambales, as well as 2 highly urbanized cities. The regional center is the city of San Fernando. Central Luzon is bordered clockwise from the north by the Ilocos region, Cagayan Valley, Philippine Sea, Calabarzon, National Capital Region, Manila Bay, and the South China Sea. In the province of Aurora, there is no city, 8 municipalities, and 151 barangays. For the province of Bataan, there is 1 city, 11 municipalities, and 237 barangays. For the province of Bulacan, there are 3 cities, 21 municipalities, and 569 barangays. For the province of Nueva Ecija, there are 5 cities, 27 municipalities, and 849 barangays. For the province of Pampanga, there are 3 cities, 19 municipalities, and 538 barangays. For the province of Tarlac, there is 1 city, 17 municipalities, and 511 barangays. For the province of Zambales, there is 1 city, 13 municipalities, and 247 barangays. Once again, Central Luzon is a part of the Luzon Island Group. It is composed of 7 provinces, 14 cities, 116 municipalities, and 3,102 barangays. And that is all about some facts and informations that you need to know about Region 3 or Central Luzon. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.